Yo guys, welcome to this video. This is about Blogger. Okay, Blogger is a powerful website. You could basically build, a blog for yourself with Blogger, and they're one of the biggest sites out there. If you look right here, you'll literally see on SimilarWeb they get like 53 million freaking views per month, basically of people's sites all together. Like that's a lot of people or impressions at least. So it's a freaking great website you can leverage. Okay. Now, if you want to promote offers, you can leverage this site called Crack Revenue. Okay, Crack Revenue is one of my favorite CPA networks out there, and dude, they got so many offers. Okay, some of my favorite offers right here are the top offers. But then when you go a little bit deeper, guys, you'll see there are offers that you wouldn't expect that convert really high. Okay, so let me give you some ways I find this. I just go to EPC, and it's funny because so many people don't do this. Okay, you can see these offers with the highest EPC, they pay out the highest. Okay, these offers are bad A, bro, like crazy because they literally pay super duper high, and they're all in the adult niche specific. You can also promote offers outside of the adult niche, by the way. You can promote offers on ClickBank or offers on Digistore or Max Bounty. Okay, those are all the main ones I use. Okay, but I mainly use Crack Revenue and Max Bounty for affiliate marketing. But even more so, guys, I prefer to use my own offers. Okay, I create my own offers as well and collect my own payments and everything because that's way more powerful. Okay, and anyway, my point is, you find a hot offer, okay, or a few here, and you're like, dude, freaking Cam Soda, let's go, okay? So Cam Soda, you're like, Cam Soda's the way, or dating.com, or freaking Phoenix, okay? And then you're like, let's go. And then you go back to Blogger and you create your own blog. Now, the cool thing about this, it's easier than WordPress from what I have seen, okay? You could do this basically for free. I'm sure they have upsells inside. You buy a domain name and you start making content and blogs and articles and tons of stuff like this, and you're going to start ranking for keywords organically, okay, and you're going to be able to promote these offers here, and you're going to be like cashing in checks all day long. Okay, but I do have some articles I want to show you guys here about Blogger. Okay, so does Blogger allow adult content? So they have policy guidelines here. No child abuse, obviously, no harassment, no hate speech, no malware, no misleading content. Let's type this. Let's see adult. Okay. Adult content. We do allow adult content on Blogger, including images and videos that contain nudity and sexual activity. Please mark it with adult in your Blogger settings. Perfect, guys. So, yeah, Blogger is a great way to go about this. Okay, so Quora, though. This is some people talking about what blogging platforms allow adult content. Okay, so you got Blogger, you got LiveJournal, you got WordPress, of course. A lot of these sites use WordPress. Okay, but Blogger is another alternative, and in fact, a very great alternative. And I would say, out of most of this traffic you see here with SimilarWeb, okay, and it's very consistent, it's mainly from like adult sites. I'm willing to bet, but we can go in depth and actually go to SimilarWeb. We can actually check this real quick for fun. Why not, man? Why not? Let's just see if my hypothesis is correct. It could be wrong. Twilight Zone. These are the top referring sites to Blogger. Okay. I don't want to actually click on them. They could be adult sites. Okay, top publishers are these ones. Okay, these are people who are sending traffic, essentially like sites sending traffic to Blogger sites. Good housekeeping. How interesting, right? Like what? Top ad networks for sure are going to be Pop Traffic, Skim Link stuff. Yeah, that's chill. Okay. So, YouTube though. YouTube is the biggest traffic source in the world, pretty much. So it makes sense that it sends people there. And they're ranking for Blogger. Okay, but I want to see if this could be an adult site right there. This could be too, but who knows? I don't want to click on them and see on YouTube here. Okay, anyway, that answers that. Okay, let's go see this. So adult blogs. Uh-oh. Oh no. Dude. Oh no. Okay, how to successfully monetize your mature blog. So if you monetize your mature blog, guys, you're going to want to promote these offers over here. Okay? It's one of the easiest ways to monetize, and one of the coolest things about freaking Crack Revenue, guys, is you promote your link, And if someone presses the back button, you also make money with that too. And you get pop under traffic too, okay, that you can sell. So it's really, really neat. I've made a lot of money just from that, just from having that turned on. You just have a little button you press, okay, for your links, and it works. How to build a sex blog that makes money. Okay, interesting image. Okay, let's see. I might use that image for the thumbnail. Okay, start your blog. Okay, so guys, you pick a topic. You're going to pick a name real quick. You're going to have a host. Your host is probably going to be blogger.com. And then you're going to pick a domain name if you want to have it custom, which you should. Then the most important thing of all of this, guys, is you got to have good content. Good content wins always. Okay? And I'm talking video content works great. I'm talking video and image and articles. Okay. And then here's how you really should form it for the best results. And no one's going to tell you this because I have a lot of experience in copywriting. You should start every article with, the best content at the top, go to more content down below, even add some education and fun articles inside too down here. And then right here, start educating about some offer and then link to the offer down below. Okay. And you can also link to the offer or different offers throughout the articles and the different blogs that you do. Okay, blog articles that you do. You can do it like this, text links like this. Okay. But a format like this not necessarily is the most enjoyable format, okay, for a blog. You want to have some images that are enticing, but you want to have a lot of images. And if you go spy on the other competition out there of blogs, they just have a bunch of images and that's it. Okay, when someone clicks on an image, maybe it'll go redirect to an offer. You do want to have like a pre-sale page that basically makes people want to convert on the offer and convinces them that this offer is the way to go. Okay, and that it's desirable for them or something. Okay, and you need to make those things happen. So you link to a pre-sale page first that educates and persuades and story sells and all this stuff. Okay, and even has like a VSL, a video sales letter that convinces people that the offer is great. That's what you got to do, man. Okay, how to start an adult blog. I mean, you got a bunch of ideas here. How do adult bloggers make money? Affiliate marketing, all this stuff. You can run ads, you can do pop under traffic and sell traffic that's on your blog. And you can team up with some people and other people too and start linking traffic, get people together to create content. And you can eventually have a juggernaut of content creation going where you literally have tons of traffic now happening and coming in and then going to offers and you're selling the traffic and it's all over the place. Okay. So Blogger plus Crack Revenue plus any other network you want to do, very powerful, guys, to make money with. Very powerful. Now, my favorite way out there is paid ads. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, check out other videos. But paid ads is one of the best ways to make money by far. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later, learning machines. Go make some flipping money. Peace out.